Hello, Dr. Jag, and all the awesome therapists at Proactiv. This is Frank. I called you guys earlier this week promising a video on some tips and tricks to make ourselves more visible to people looking for. I was looking for naturopath, but I see that you guys are chiropractors as well. So, and anyways, the idea is the same, and I just wanted to share some information with you that I think will help make yourself more visible and ultimately get more customers. And if you like what you see, let me know. We can chat a little bit more. So, originally, I was looking for Naturopath Langley, and as you see, it's the new lead naturopathic clinic that shows up. I know that you guys offer that as well at your clinic. So one thing real quick is that whenever people search for naturopaths or chiropractor, 30% will click on here. The other will either click on one of the ads or one of the highest ranking site, right? So that's kind of where we want to be. And I want to use this video in the next couple minutes to show some quick tips that you can implement right away and see that result. Okay, so first thing first is content. When we want to make a site communicate the right message to Google, we want to use the right keywords, and I would say the best success is about 1,500 words on the main page. And that might seem a lot, but there are a lot of methods that you can include more content on the homepage that includes pictures that are named using the keyword. You can include a slider of reviews, etc. Okay, there's a lot of neat tricks that we can implement to get the results. So this is the naturopath site, the competitor site. This is the other top ranking chiropractor site. As you see, there are quite a bit more content. Langley, the keyword Langley is showing out 7 times, Chiro showing out 1 time. And then if we do Chiro 0 times, Langley just 1 time. So definitely there's a lot of opportunities here for us to up the content as well as the keywords. So it's communicating the right message to Google. You have a nice site. I wish I know where this is. This looks really nice. So that's part one. Part two is the citation. So citation, we can understand it as a vote to your website. So if you're a presidential candidate, the more votes you win, the more likelihood that you would get elected, right? Same with the website. The more backlinks that you get, the more likely that you'll get ranked. Of course, we want quality backlinks, not spammy backlinks. So you guys are doing pretty good. We got 52 domains, averaging at 358 backlinks. Let's look at your competitor, 11 and 24, but they're getting more traffic. So it could mean that they're having more qualitative backlinks or stronger domains. We can dig into that in detail. This is the naturopath, 2,790 backlinks. Okay, so this is interesting number that I can dig into this a little bit more, but usually that means that some of the links might be either lost or it might be a bit more spammy. Either way, it's something that can be fixed. You guys have a traffic of 31. Okay, but I think somebody must have been working on your SEO, hopefully, but the homepage, we should at least have the meta tag read Langley Chiropractor or something. The last part that we can entertain would be citations. So citations are Yellow Pages, Yelp, Local 604, things like this, where you can register using a consistent name, address, and phone number that is in line with your Google Business Profile listing. So the more you register, the Google will think you're more trustworthy. And when you configure yourself properly, using chiropractor and offer the services that people are searching for, you have a high chance of getting ranked. I think you guys have good reviews, 20 somewhat. So you can definitely take this guy out, right? This is the fastest way to get traffic from my experience working with other business partners. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 months to get you up there And once you do, traffic starts coming. We get a couple submissions a day for my tree service client, and for epoxy, they're getting calls. Okay, so that's the three main components I wanted to share. And then what I'm thinking is you guys can have one for the chiropractor, right? And then one for the naturopath. And if you have massage therapist, you can have one there. Why not? Multiple lines in the water, so that when people are searching for different services, they'll land at your website. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share. If you like what you hear, or you have a 30-minute Dr. Jack, let's hop on a call and just chat about your business and how this can ultimately help you. All the best. Take care. Thank you.